Hi, I'm Adrian, and in this video we're going to look at how user permissions work in Cademy. If you're going to add multiple users to your system, ideally you don't want to give them all admin access. This would kind of result in a messy system and can lead to a lot of unpleasant results if people start messing with the general settings of their entire system. So a way to limit that is to choose a different user permission level or user role for the users you add to the system. So if you add a new user, you'll see the option to choose the user role in here, and you can choose from 3 options. And if you're looking at existing users, you can click here and then choose to edit users, and you'll see the options here to change their user role. Now, from here, you have 3 options. System admin essentially has all the functionality and all access across the system, and it can do pretty much everything. A facilitator is the other end of that spectrum. So they can only have a read-only view and only of the courses to which they are assigned. So if they're not assigned to courses, they do not see them at all. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. The most they can do is essentially see the bookings, mark them as attended, add notes, and that's about it. They can email those bookings as well, but they can't see anything else in the system, just the course that they've been assigned to. The in-between role here, called course owner, allows the user to see the courses they've been assigned to as well, but they can also edit those courses too, and they can create new courses. So they have a bit more permissions there, and they can edit bookings on the courses they're assigned to as well. They can't see anybody else's courses, but they're owners and pretty much admins in their own right when it comes to the courses they create or are assigned to. So they could do pretty much everything on that level. They only see the courses section, so they don't see everything else. And that's kind of where they're limited. So let me show you what it's like to be a facilitator. So I'm going to log in with this email, and right now I'm an admin. If I go in here, you can see I have a lot of courses. I see all the contacts and so on. And if I log out and log back in as a facilitator, you could see that in the courses section, well, first of all, you'll notice that I don't see most of the areas of the system. I can just see the one course to which I've been assigned, even though I'm in the all courses filter here. And in the inbox, I'll only see the conversations that have been assigned to me. I won't see all the conversations across the system. And in the settings, I'll only see my user settings, and that's it. So very simple, very basic UI for those facilitating courses. There's very little that they can essentially get wrong here. When they click on a course, they'll just see the bookings for a particular course. They're going to be able to mark people as attended or email them from here. And they're going to be able to essentially add notes, but that's about it. They can't edit or do anything with these courses besides that. Okay? So I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions or requests, please message through the live chat. We're always happy to hear from you. And thank you for watching. Take care.